Here I have that bead Tiffany bracelet need to be fixed. It's broken at the end, but usually I get a lot of those want to be repaired, which is always breaks here by the heart. That ring there, and I don't know why they make it very thin, and most of the time it fails. This one is gonna be my first attempt on a longer video on YouTube. The other ones I have, they're short videos. So thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you will subscribe, so this way you will see more videos which will be coming. The other videos which I'm gonna be posting, it's gonna be about ring sizing, stone setting, replacements of stones, and all the other repairs. You will have a little bit of an idea how it's done in a jewelry repair, and hopefully you will like them. Also, if you have any questions about how the repair is done, just write down on the comments, and I'm gonna try my best to answer them. Thank you.